Hello friends, so in this session we'll be starting with a very beautiful topic in our algebra syllabus which is nothing but linear equation in two variables. Right my dear friends? But what we will do is we will understand these words linear equation, two variables separately by breaking the concepts one by one. So let's first understand what is the meaning of equation my dear friends. So equation is nothing but a mathematical statement with at least one variable and an equal to sign with it. Okay, my dear friends? So, I'll be asking a lot of questions to you all now. Observe this very carefully over the screen here. Right? So, these are the examples given to you. We will look at it one by one and keep on answering. Okay, my dear friends? Fine. So, x plus 4 is equals to 0. Is it an equation? Well, yes, this is an example of equation. Why? Because the condition says that we should have at least one variable. मतलब कम से कम एक variable होना चाहिए. Okay, we are having one variable over here which is nothing that x. Okay, and we also need to have equal to sign over here, which we are having already. Fine. So this is the perfect example of an equation. Simple. Now, similarly, second one, y plus 6 is equals to 0. Is this an equation? Well, yes, we have an equal to sign and one variable. So this is an example of equation. Similarly, we are having one variable x over here. We are having one variable y over here. We are also having equal to sign. So even this both are examples of an equation, right? And even these are the examples of equation. Right, my dear friends? Fine. Now, having understood what is meant by equation, we now move on to understand what is the linear equation, my dear friends. Fine. And for that, just remember that the degree should be 1, which means that the highest power of the variable should be 1. Okay, my dear friends? Fine. So let's look at the first example over here. X plus 4 equals to 0, where the variable x, highest power if nothing is given, then we will assume it to be 1. Okay? So in this case, the degree is 1 and hence this is a perfect example of linear equation. Right, my dear friends? Fine. Similarly, y plus 6, the highest power over here is 1, which means the degree in this sum is 1. Okay? So even this is an example of a linear equation, my dear friends. Fine. But now observe my cursor very carefully. Here it is given x square plus 4x plus 8 is equals to 0. In this case, in this equation, the highest power or the degree is 2 over here. Okay? But what is a linear equation? The highest power or the degree should be 1. So, this cannot be the example of a linear equation. Right, my dear friends? Fine. Similarly, even this cannot be the example of a linear equation because the highest power is 2 over here. Alright? Fine. So, we eliminate these two things. And last two, we observe that there are two variables x, y. We are not concerned with that. But the highest power in both these equations is 1. Matlab degree 1 hai, and therefore these two are also the examples of a linear equation. Right, my dear friends? Fine. Now, in this chapter, we are concerned with linear equation in two variables. Look at my cursor very carefully, my dear friends. We are concerned with linear equation in how many variables? Two variables, my dear friends. But in this case, we are having only one variable x यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे एक ही variable y है. So we don't need this. Even in this case, we are having only one variable x and 4x. मतलब x ही है यहाँ पे भी. Even here, there is only one variable y. Alright. So we also don't need this. But in this case, there are two variables x and y. X and y, they are also having equal to sign. मतलब equal to sign है तो equation भी बोला जा सकता है. And इनका highest power भी 1 है. मतलब they are satisfying all the conditions and hence this is the perfect example for linear equation in two variables. So just observe the animation now. We cancel this part because this is not a linear equation in two variables. We cancel this part because even this is not an example of linear equation in two variables. And we are remained with this part, so bring this in middle and hence this is the perfect example of linear equation in two variables. Right, my dear friends? Fine. Now, after having understood the examples of linear equation in two variables, we now move on understanding what is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay? Observe my cursor very carefully. Here they are talking about two variables. Okay, my dear friends? How many variables? Two variables. So we take two variables as x and y. Okay? Okay? Fine. Now what we will do is we will write their coefficients. So x का coefficient we assume to be a and y का coefficient हम लोग b लिख देंगे. We will add them with a constant number c and put equals to 0 over here. So this becomes the standard form of linear equation in two variables, which is nothing but ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where these numbers a, b and c should be real numbers. And remember one thing, a and b cannot be equal to 0, my dear friends. Fine. So this is the condition where the standard formula is nothing but ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are the real numbers, but a and b can never be equal to 0. Right, my dear friends? So this was the introduction of the chapter linear equation in two variables, where we understood the meaning of equation, we understood the meaning of linear equation, we saw these two examples of linear equation in two variables, and we understood the standard form of a linear equation. Right, my dear friends? Fine.